Hello everyone and welcome to the CRM Carpenter tutorial. So in this video, we will discuss on how we can use the ARR Histories tab effectively and round robin history or the ARR history is a log of every assignment made by advanced round robin. So we can also use it to confirm assignments are being correctly assigned, and we can also use this to investigate unexpected results and monitor whether the distribution is being tracked according to your targets or the goal percentage you have set in every settings you create. So in here we have two settings. They are both distributed with 50% goal or target percentage. Let's check the settings. So these two settings have the same field criteria. So you can see that company is equals to the CRM carpenters. Let's take a look with the other one. And it's also company equals the CRM carpenters. So to test it, we will create a lead. So let's create a lead and create a lead that satisfies the field criteria, and it should be assigned whether to this per setting and or to the other setting. So the company should be the CRM carpenters, and let's create test person and let's save. And now that this record is assigned to February Carpenter, you can see in here in the round robin history that a history is added to this record that shows the summary. So this is another way of checking the history or the summary of the assignment. But in the new UI, you can just go to the ARR histories and open the assigned history to the setting. So the setting that gets the lead record is this one, the ABC one. If we go to the AR settings, it shows here the setting name, and that's the setting name being displayed in the ARR history that was recent assigned to this setting. So let's open this one. So you can see in here in this history list where it shows the date and time when the assignment was made, and also the setting used. So this is the chosen setting, and it shows also the goal percent that the users configured, and also the actual count. So here is the actual count of the setting, which tells how many leads is being assigned to this setting, and also the assigned user who gets the record, who receives the record. And this also shows the other setting which the record is being matched to, but it gets the ABC one or the per setting, so it adds up the actual count of the record in this setting. So that's how you can use the history tab of the extension. Thank you for watching.